In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to PDFs in Google Drive. This is a useful skill whether you're collaborating on a project, reviewing a document, or simply want to annotate a PDF for your own records. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly add comments, making your PDF documents more interactive and tailored to your needs. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Drive. If you're not already familiar, Google Drive is a powerful cloud storage service offered by Google where you can store, share, and collaborate on files. Once you're logged into your Google Drive account, head over to the home page. It's the main hub where all your files and folders are neatly organized. Now that we're on the home page, let's find the PDF to which you'd like to add comments. Browse through your files, and once you spot the PDF, click to open it. Google Drive's built-in PDF viewer will automatically open the document, allowing you to read through it directly from your web browser. Already have the document open? Great. Look for the comment icon, which is your next step. The icon is usually represented by a small speech bubble or something similar, typically located in the top right corner of the interface. Click this icon to activate the comment feature. With the comment mode activated, simply drag and drop your cursor to create a message box at the desired location in the PDF. This is a handy way to pinpoint exactly where within the document you'd like to add your thoughts or feedback. Consider it as placing a sticky note right on the page. Now, it's time to type your comment. Click into the message box you've just created and start typing your thoughts. Whether it's adding a remark, asking a question, or providing detailed feedback, be clear and concise in your input so anyone reviewing your comments can understand your intentions. Once you've typed out your message, all you need to do is click on the comment button to post it. This will make your comment visible to anyone else who has access to the document and allow them to reply or resolve the comment as needed. It's a simple process but effective for communication. And there you have it, you've successfully added a comment to a PDF in Google Drive. This feature is incredibly useful for working in teams or managing your own documents. Feel free to experiment and become familiar with the various possibilities this feature offers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your PDF commenting needs.